Hey everyone, welcome back to the AI Tech channel. Today, we're diving into a story that proves even the most hyped tech can crash and burn. Remember the Humane AI Pin? The device that promised to replace your smartphone? Well, it's officially dead. And the twist? HP is buying the remnants. But here's the real kicker. Existing AI pins are about to become completely useless. Was this inevitable? Or a sign of a bigger problem in the AI hardware space? Let's unpack this mess. The news broke that HP is acquiring Humane's assets for a measly $116 million. That's a far cry from the billion-dollar valuation Humane was reportedly seeking just months ago. Ouch. The deal includes Humane's Cosmos software, intellectual property, over 300 patents and patent applications, and, crucially, a chunk of their technical staff. But HP doesn't want the AI pin itself. That hardware business is being shut down. And here's the painful part for early adopters. Humane is essentially bricking the devices on February 28, 2025. No more connectivity, no more AI queries, no more cloud access. Just a fancy paperweight. Let's rewind. What exactly went wrong with the AI pin? Well, pretty much everything. The initial hype was immense. Humane positioned it as a revolutionary device, a new category that would leverage AI to perform tasks without a phone or PC. But the launch was a disaster. Reviewers slammed it for being overpriced, underperforming, and frankly, just not very useful. The core functionality could have been achieved with a smartphone app. The Verge's David Pierce called it just doesn't work. MKBHD went even further, labeling it the worst product I've ever reviewed. Strong words, right? From a technical standpoint, the AI pin suffered from several limitations. First, its natural language processing, NLP, capabilities were subpar. It struggled to accurately interpret user commands, leading to frustrating interactions. Second, the computer vision system, used for object recognition and contextual awareness, was unreliable. It often misidentified objects or failed to understand the surrounding environment. Finally, the device's battery life was abysmal, requiring frequent charging or battery pack swaps. These issues, combined with a hefty price tag and subscription fees, made it a hard sell for consumers. It lacked the robustness and reliability users expect from a daily driver device. Remember, a product like this requires a strong foundation in edge computing to minimize latency and maintain user privacy, something the AI pin clearly lacked. So, why did HP buy Humane's assets? They're not interested in the AI pin itself, but they are interested in the talent and technology behind it. HP is creating a new division, led by Humane co-founders Imran Chaudhry and Bethany Bongiorno, both former Apple employees. The goal? To integrate AI features into HP's existing product lines, including personal computers, printers, and connected conference rooms. This aligns with the broader industry trend of tech companies investing heavily in AI. But is it enough to justify the acquisition? And will it actually differentiate HP from its competitors, especially with Microsoft building AI features directly into Windows? That's the million-dollar question. Humane's Cosmos operating system might hold some value for HP. The company had started to pivot towards positioning Cosmos as a platform for other companies to use in their gadgets. While the AI pin failed to gain traction, the underlying software could potentially be adapted for other devices. HP could leverage Cosmos to create a more integrated and intelligent ecosystem across its product portfolio. Think AI-powered printers that can automatically order supplies, or smart conference rooms that can transcribe meetings in real time. However, this is all hypothetical at this point. The success of Cosmos within HP will depend on how well it can be integrated and adapted to meet the specific needs of HP's customers. The AI hardware market is incredibly competitive. Companies are racing to develop the next big thing, from AI-powered earbuds to smart glasses. But the AI pin's failure serves as a cautionary tale. It highlights the importance of delivering a product that is not only innovative but also practical, reliable, and affordable. Consumers are not willing to pay a premium for a device that doesn't significantly improve their lives. There needs to be a clear value proposition and a seamless user experience. Otherwise, it's just another expensive gadget collecting dust in a drawer. The AI pin promised a future, but delivered a frustrating present, costing users both money and a lot of hype. The competition isn't just about features. It's about making AI useful. Let's talk about the consumers who bought into the AI pin's vision. They're the ones who are really getting burned here. While Humane is offering refunds for devices within the 90-day return window, those who purchased the pin earlier are left with a brick device. There's no mention of any other form of compensation for these early adopters. This raises ethical questions about the responsibility of tech companies to support their customers, even when a product fails. Building trust and loyalty is crucial in the tech industry, and this situation could damage Humane's reputation, even under HP's ownership. How do you feel about this? Let me know in the comments. Were the early adopters taken advantage of, or is this just the risk of being an early adopter? Beyond the financial loss, there's also the issue of data privacy. Humane is urging users to download any pictures, videos, and notes stored on their pins before they are permanently deleted from their servers. This raises concerns about how Humane handled user data in the first place and whether it was adequately protected. The failure of the AI pin highlights the importance of data security and transparency in the AI industry. Consumers need to be confident that their data is being handled responsibly, especially when it comes to personal and sensitive information. Remember the Cambridge Analytica scandal? It's a constant reminder that data privacy is not just a technical issue, but also an ethical one. So, what does this mean for the future of AI wearables? Is this the end of the line for this category? Not necessarily. The AI pin's failure doesn't mean that the concept of AI-powered wearables is inherently flawed. It just means that the execution needs to be better. Companies need to focus on delivering real value, addressing user concerns about privacy and security, and creating a seamless and intuitive user experience. The technology is still evolving, and there's plenty of room for innovation. But the AI pin serves as a stark reminder that hype alone is not enough to guarantee success. Now, let's consider two opposing viewpoints. Some argue that the AI pin's failure was a result of unrealistic expectations and a lack of market demand for such a device. They believe that consumers are perfectly happy with their smartphones and don't see the need for a separate AI-powered wearable. On the other hand, others argue that the AI pin was simply ahead of its time. They believe that the technology will eventually catch up and that AI wearables will become more mainstream in the future. To test these theories, we could conduct user surveys to gauge consumer interest in AI wearables and identify the key features that they would find most appealing. We could also analyze market trends to see how the demand for AI devices is evolving over time. Which side do you agree with? Let me know in the comments. HP is betting that they can leverage Humane's talent and technology to create AI-powered experiences that are more practical and useful for their customers. They're not trying to replace the smartphone, but rather to enhance existing workflows and improve productivity. This is a more pragmatic approach, and it could potentially be more successful in the long run. However, HP faces significant challenges. They need to integrate the new AI features seamlessly into their existing product lines, and they need to convince customers that these features are worth the investment. The success of this acquisition will depend on HP's ability to execute effectively and deliver real value to its customers. It's a gamble, but it could pay off if they play their cards right. In conclusion, the Humane AI pin's failure is a cautionary tale for the entire AI industry. It highlights the importance of focusing on real-world problems, delivering tangible value, and building trust with consumers. HP's acquisition of Humane's assets is a gamble, but it could potentially lead to new and innovative AI-powered experiences. The future of AI wearables is uncertain, but one thing is clear. The technology needs to be more practical, reliable, and affordable if it wants to gain mainstream adoption. What do you think? Will HP succeed in integrating AI into its products? And what lessons can other companies learn from the AI pin's failure? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tech news and analysis. Stay curious, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video.